Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to explain about the type of losses in the fiber optic. So basically there are 4 type of losses, which are scattering, absorption, bending and dispersion.
Okay, consider this as a fiber optic cable. This is the core of the fiber optic. This is cladding and this also cladding. The refractive index of the core and the cladding is different, which is for core N1 and for cladding N2. So this is the normal propagation of the light rays in the core, where total internal reflection takes place.
Imagine this is the impurities or deflection in the core, or where it block the light ray along the pathway in the core. So eventually the light will be disturbed and it will be scattered away all around. When this happen, some of the scattered ray impossible for total internal reflection to take place.
The next type of losses in fiber is bending. There are 2 types of bending, which is macroband and microband. For macroband is a noticeable bend beyond the critical angle along the fiber axis that causes a light loss. Next is microscopic band. Microscopic bands of an optical fiber can cause band losses even when the fiber is macroscopically kept straight. Is an example of bending in fiber optics. So as you can see, if the core bends, the normal will follow the core and the ray will find itself on the wrong side of the critical angle and will escape. So the loss will happen.
The next type of losses in fiber optic is absorption. Okay, what is the absorption? Imagine there is a defects or impurities once again along the fiber ray, along the light rays. So when the light travel in the path and there is the impurities here, so the impurities will absorb the heat. When the impurities absorb the light ray, the upcoming light rays here, so eventually it will dissipate it in form of heat energy. So there is loss in the signal.
So the next type of losses in fiber optics is dispersion. Dispersion is the spreading of the signal over time. When the light ray passing through the core of the fiber, it will collide with any atoms or particles in the core and will cause dispersion.